boys and girls. I sure am glad to see you today. And guess what? Minnie's right here.
Hi kids, how are you all doing today? We are going to open up our Play-doh Minnie Mouse Stamp and Cut.
Oh, and it is right here.
Hello little ones! We have here our Minnie Mouse Stamp and Cut, and at the back we have our accessories. And I'm excited to open it up. Come on! Ooh, we got some good stuff in here. And we have our Minnie Mouse label. Our first accessory is our Minnie Mouse cutter. Oh, look at that. And at the back, it has our heart and ribbon mold. And next is our Minnie Mouse stamper. Look how dainty her hand is. Next is our rolling pin. And our so cute pink Play-doh. Now here they are. Take a look. Oh, and I also want to point out that the stamper has Minnie Mouse ears with her polka-dotted bow. Come on kids, let's now make ourselves a pink Minnie Mouse using our Play-doh. Oops, uh-oh, it won't come out. Is it stuck? Oh, there you go. We got it out, finally. It was so cute. I love the color. Let's make a sphere. And now we have a circle. Now we're making an oval. Let's try our Mickey Mouse stamper. There you go. Now is the moment to reveal our pink Minnie Mouse. You guys did an amazing job! Alright kids, you can see the small details right here. The polka dots on her skirt, her bow. Oh, Minnie looks so pretty! Now we're going to check on the molds at the back of the Minnie Mouse cutter. And we have the heart and the ribbon. And we only need a small amount of Play-doh. It looks promising so far. Ooh, look at that! We have a tiny heart! It's so cute! Next is we'll make the small ribbon. We're going to use the cutter next. Isn't that amazing? Alright kids, let's create something with our Play-doh. What do you want to make? Can you make a guess, kids, what I'm trying to create here? It's not a butterfly. It is a bow. Oops. Alright, let's fix it up a little bit. There you go. With zigzag edge, and this will give us a stitch mark at the edge of our ribbon. I think that looks so gorgeous. I think I like this one better. Look how much we've made. We have a ribbon, a small bow, a heart, and Minnie Mouse. And this little ball right here is what's left over from the top of Play-doh. I think we did great. Come on kids, let's create other versions of Minnie Mouse. This is going to be a horizontal colored Minnie Mouse. Let's try to make another version of Minnie Mouse. We'll arrange all the colors vertically, which means they're standing up. Have a vertical colored Minnie Mouse. Now let's try to make one more Minnie Mouse. And these are the two colors you need to mix for Minnie Mouse's face. And I think it's close. All we need to do is just color the back part of our Minnie Mouse stamper. Presenting our own Minnie Mouse. Oh, look at that. can see all the details now. Minnie Mouse is wearing her polka-dotted bow and skirt, and you also notice that her shoes has a very pink bow as well. Thank you kids for watching! Hope you enjoyed watching our video today! If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the notification bell. We appreciate your support! And we'll see you on the next video! Bye!